Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to connect Xiaomi AirDots 2 to your OUKITEL C15 Pro. First of all, you need to turn on your Xiaomi AirDots. So press and hold like here. Wait a few seconds, and when you see that white indicator blinking, it's a pair mode for your AirDots. So next up, opening Bluetooth settings on your OUKITEL, pair new device, wait a second, and here we got the available device Redmi AirDots 2. Press it, wait for pairing, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.